FOZ Racing Products is proud to introduce the Throttle Jockey, the latest in performance upgrades for your motorcycle-powered racing car. Developed and tested during the 2008 racing season, the Throttle Jockey is easy to install, provides increased reliability, and most importantly delivers the driver improved throttle control. Installation of the Throttle Jockey is quite easy. I'm going to use this piece of plexiglass here to demonstrate how you would actually mount it to your firewall. The first part is this small bobbin here that actually goes through the firewall. We're going to drill a hole through the firewall that will accept this. So this goes through the firewall and gets bolted in. And then you're going to drill a couple of small holes to hold this bracket that will actually hold your throttle cable. Okay, once you have your holes drilled and the bracket and the bobbin mounted through the firewall, the rest of the installation is really quite simple. You're going to take this small steel rod and slide it through your bobbin. Then you're going to take the two arms that you'll see here, and you'll notice these arms have multiple positions on them. This allows you to easily adjust the throw on your throttle pedal. We're going to take these arms and attach them to the rod. So they simply slide on, and then they get tightened down with an Allen bolt that's on the top of them. Like that. Now once you've got the arms installed, the next step is going to be to hook up the throttle cable. And hook up the throttle cable, we've developed this small rod end, which is quite simple yet effective, that's going to hold your throttle cable. So all you're going to do is slide the barrel of your throttle cable into the rod end, pull it in place, and there's a small O-ring that rolls over this that will keep the throttle cable locked in place. Okay, we're going to finish up our installation here. You'll notice that I've got the throttle cable inserted in through our bracket here. We're going to take and connect our rod end to the throttle arm. And so we'll go ahead and do that. You want to select the position on the arm that you feel is going to give you the appropriate amount of throttle travel. And it could be a matter of experimentation, trial and error. So we go ahead and hook that up. Then we're going to go ahead and hook our throttle cable into that system. And like I said, when you go ahead and when you get your system and put it in on your car, there'll be a O-ring that runs over that. And there you go, you're set to go. And then of course on the back side you're going to hook up your throttle pedal to this, and that'll allow you to actuate the throttle.